The TP-Link TL-WR842ND is a wireless router that allows you to connect your devices to the internet over a Wi-Fi connection. It is designed to provide a stable and fast connection for a small to medium-sized home network. Some of the key features of the TL-WR842ND include: wireless N speeds up to 300 megabits per second. The router supports wireless N speeds, which allow for fast data transfer rates and smooth online gaming and video streaming. Multiple operation modes. The TL-WR842ND can be used as a wireless router, access point, or range extender, making it flexible and easy to set up in a variety of situations. Easy setup and management. The router includes a user-friendly web-based interface that makes it easy to set up and manage your network. USB port for file sharing. The router includes a USB port that allows you to connect a USB storage device and share files across your network. Multiple security features. The TL-WR842ND includes multiple security features such as WPA/WPA2 encryption and a firewall to help protect your network from unauthorized access. To set up the TP-Link TL-WR842ND wireless router, you will need to follow these steps. Connect the router to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Connect the router to a power source and turn it on. Connect your computer to the router using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. This will open the router's web-based interface. Enter the default username and password, both admin, to log into the interface. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your internet connection and configure your wireless settings.
From here you can access all of your wireless settings. From here you can change your wireless network name and password. If you subscribe to our channel and stay with our channel, then you will see detailed videos on all these topics very soon on our channel.
You will need to enter your ISP login information and choose a wireless network name, SSID, and password. Save your settings and restart the router. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from your computer and connect to the wireless network using the SSID and password you configured. That's it. Your TL-WR842ND router should now be set up and ready to use. If you have any difficulties setting up the router or have any questions, you can refer to the user manual or contact TP-Link support for assistance.
USB port that allows you to share files, media, and other data with devices on your network. This can be useful for sharing documents, photos, or other types of files with others on your network, or for accessing media stored on a USB storage device from your devices.
It is difficult for me to provide an accurate price for the TP-Link TL-WR842ND as prices can vary based on a number of factors such as location, availability, and demand. I would recommend checking with a retailer or online marketplace to get the most up-to-date pricing information. It may also be helpful to compare prices from different sellers to ensure you are getting the best deal. The coverage area of a wireless router like the TP-Link TL-WR842ND can vary depending on a number of factors, such as the layout and construction of your home or office, the presence of any physical obstructions, and the number of devices connected to the network. In general, a router with a wireless N connection like the TL-WR842ND can provide coverage for a small to medium-sized home or office. However, it is important to note that the actual coverage area may be smaller or larger than this depending on the specific circumstances of your environment. If you are experiencing a weak signal or limited coverage, you may want to consider using a range extender or adding additional access points to your network to help extend the range of your wireless signal. The TP-Link TL-WR842ND is a wireless router that includes a USB port. The USB port can be used to connect a USB storage device, such as a hard drive or flash drive, to the router. This allows you to share files across your network and access them from any device connected to the router. The USB port can also be used to connect a printer to the router, allowing you to print wirelessly from any device on your network. Some routers may also support the use of a USB modem for connecting to the internet, although this feature is not specifically mentioned as being supported by the TL-WR842ND.
New videos will be published on this channel regularly about what option works and how to do it so that the router will support you very well.
The TP-Link TL-WR842ND is a wireless router that includes a number of security features to help protect your network from unauthorized access. These features include WPA/WPA2 encryption. The router supports WPA, Wi-Fi protected access, and WPA2 encryption to help secure your wireless connection and prevent unauthorized access to your network. Firewall. The TL-WR842ND includes a firewall to help protect your network from external threats such as hackers and viruses. Virtual Private Network (VPN) support. The router supports VPN connections, which allow you to securely connect to a remote network over the internet. Access control. The router includes access control features that allow you to set up user accounts and control which devices are allowed to connect to your network. In terms of setup, the TL-WR842ND includes a user-friendly web-based interface that makes it easy to configure and manage your network. To set up the router, you will need to connect it to your modem and follow the instructions in the user manual to complete the setup process. This typically involves accessing the web-based interface through a web browser and following the on-screen prompts to enter your Internet Service Provider (ISP) login information and configure your wireless settings.
Here we have tried to show details about the router. If you like the video, our hard work will be worth it.